How to use Microsoft Word in mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head to our Google Play Store and simply search for Microsoft Word. Go to the search bar and you can simply type the shortcut MS Word. At the top, you will see the application of Microsoft Corporation. Simply install the application. Once installed, open it and you now simply need to log in with your Microsoft account. So as you can see, I've already installed this application in my mobile. I have synced the data related to this application and that is why I did not have to log in. But for you, you can simply click on profile icon at the top left corner and log in with your Microsoft account. After that, you can open any document or create a new document to use MS Word in your mobile. And at the bottom, you will see all the tools are available just like in the PC. So once you click on the drop-down menu at the right corner, you will be able to see Home, Insert and all the other features like in the Home tab. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.